Dalgona coffee, right? How do I make it look like those Instagram pictures? Stay tuned. What's cooking, guys, and welcome to Zeeba Kitchen. Woo! Nailed it. First time. Let's get to it. But the question we get asked all the time is, how do I make my Dalgona coffee look like those Instagram pictures? How is yours look so good? You're doing something you're not telling us. So we thought for our first video for YouTube, we'll release step by step how we make our Dalgona coffees. One thing to understand with a Dalgona coffee is the pictures you see online and you're like, oh, that looks so good. That's before it's mixed. If you don't mix it, you're just gonna have milk and then a coffee topping. It's not what you want. You do want to mix it eventually. Then once it's mixed, you get a nice little mix like this, and that will get your day going. It's a lovely iced coffee. But let's not waste any more time. Enjoy this clip while I get to the kitchen and we can start making our Dalgona coffee. Boom! Let's get started making your Dalgona coffee. Perfect coffee for the sun. If you're a coffee lover, you're gonna love this drink. I'm sure you've seen it already. It's the TikTok sensation. Some are calling it the quarantine drink / the quarantine coffee. Let's get going. Really easy. All you're gonna need some instant coffee, some sugar. I'm using brown because I like brown sugar. Some ice, some warm water, and some milk. Then obviously a cup. A whisk. If you've got an electric whisk, lucky you. We're gonna go over manual whisk just for those people who don't have an electric one, because I'm not gonna ask you to do something I wouldn't do. And a bowl to mix it in. So we're gonna get 2 teaspoons of instant coffee. Put that into your bowl. Then get 2 teaspoons of your sugar. Sugar's nice and even. And then we're gonna go with a 222, 2 teaspoons of your hot water. I don't like to use boiling water straight from the kettle. Some people do, but I like to let it cool down a little bit. And I also like to just put a little bit extra, so I usually go 2.5 just to get, actually it's enough just for it all to mix up. And then let's get started. Get your whisk. Like I said, if you've got an electric whisk, feel free to use that. It is quicker, I think, today. So start mixing. I'll give you a little tip of what I do to get it going quicker. First, you just start getting it mixed up. You start seeing it and you're like, wait, this doesn't look like all the videos I watch and what everyone else is doing online. You have to be patient with it. So just let that mix up a little bit. Once you start seeing it kind of getting a consistent texture, start just put it in your hands and roll it like this. And you start seeing that going quicker. You're gonna be doing this for 5 minutes, I'd say maximum. But the quicker you go, the quicker it gets done. You just want to get it to that colour that you want it to be at. I like it really pale, I like it really mixed up and get all that good flavour going. So you want to start seeing it kind of stick to your whisk like this. Got that nice thick consistency. If you're using brown sugar like me, I'd say the finer the better, because you do get a little bit bits in it. That's why I go a bit longer, just to make sure it's all stuck in there. The longer you do, the paler it does come. Just how you like it. It's all down to personal preference with this. So we can get going. You see that? Nice, nice. Then, when you've got kind of like this dripping off your whisk, nice and thick, that's when we're ready. So get your glass you want to use. A couple ice cubes. This is just going to keep it cold while you're drinking it. Also, it's going to allow it to like mix nicely. It looks good. Then you get milk. Don't fill the glass all the way. You want to go about 3/4 of the way with milk. Okay. Boom. That should be good. Then just using a spoon. Look at that. Ooh. Then you're gonna want to put this on top. And you should see it coming together now nicely. nicely. Perfecto. You start seeing that going into your milk, and this is the good stuff. This is where the magic happens, right? Boom. Okay. So if this ain't gonna wake you up in the morning, I don't know what's gonna wake you up. I'm telling you now. Oh. And unless you want to post it or take a picture, straight away what you're gonna want to be doing is get your spoon. You're gonna mix that up. Mix that into your milk, and then you start seeing this all coming together. Because what you don't want to do is drink milk with a strong coffee syrup. So you mix that in. And this is difficult, not just tucking straight in, you know, but it is. It can come together. So just mix that up. Make sure you don't want it to overflow, make a mess everywhere. And then in a few seconds, you will have a delicious ice cold Dalgona. I'm talking about not spilling and I spilled it. It's okay. What I do for you guys, you know? What I do for you guys, clean up and everything up. Once that's mixed up nice, once again, don't want to waste any, so you're gonna have some stuck to your spoon, no doubt. Get that into there. And you, my friends, have one good to go, easy to make Dalgona coffee. Cheers. Woo! That's gonna get your day going.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was useful and you get to make a delicious Dalgona coffee. If you do make one and you post it, please tag us at Zeeba Kitchen, down here somewhere, at Zeeba Kitchen on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. If you like it, drop us a like, subscribe, put the little dingy bell on, because we're going to be dropping some really cool videos, easy recipes, delicious but beautiful presentation as well. They're going to be coming out over the next few weeks, so please support us and we'll bring those out for you. Also, please drop in the comments how you get along, or if there's something in specific you want to see. Is there a recipe that you think's hard? We can make it simple. Let us know. Thank you guys. Peace.